Welcome back. Well, another beauty of a day across Acadiana, albeit well above normal. Temperatures starting about 20 degrees above normal, finished off about 10 degrees above normal, but closer to normal tonight, but still not way near normal, which is 51 for the lows this time of year. We're going in the upper 50s, lower 60s, most of us anyway. So let's take a look at the big picture here. What's going on across the U.S. and actually pretty quiet. Most of the precip back toward the Pac Northwest and the West Coast. This is going to help the fire situation out there, so they do need the rain. They'll take it. Snow at elevation. Meanwhile, east of the Rockies, it's pretty quiet with the exception of the Great Lakes, and down here by the Gulf Coast, here's the remnant circulation of what once was a Category 3 hurricane, Rafael, dying a slow death out in the Gulf of Mexico. Again, there's still some lingering moisture, and that moisture moving east and away from us from now, but whatever leftover moisture is from that circulation that we just showed you, that's going to try to come back Wednesday ahead of a frontal boundary that should spark off a round of showers, maybe some hefty thunderstorms. Look at the rainfall going back through this weekend. This coming mostly Saturday night. The northern portions of Acadiana getting hammered up through central Louisiana, western Louisiana, where the northern portions of Allen Parish picked up more than a foot of rain, and these are Doppler estimates. Usually rain gauges are 20% higher than what the Doppler estimate shows. So you get into the northern portions of Evangeline Parish, a big soaking, the same of Voiles, Rapides as well, and then back to the west into Vernon. So you can see there was a big soaking, but not all of us got the big rains, and not much in Lafayette. And because of the rains, we have river flood warnings for the Calcasieu River, Bayou Nepeke, and also Bayou Deccan. But those are not going to be serious flooding situations, but the water certainly higher than what it usually is. Now, as we get into the tropics, we have a new area that we're going to be watching, an area of disturbed weather south of the Dominican Republic. As I showed you earlier, a 40% chance of development. Well, in the latest update, Hurricane Center's updated this to a 60% chance of development as we get closer to the weekend for sure. We see that on the Euro model. If we have time permits, we'll show the GFS for entertainment purposes. But look, it goes west, it goes east, then it wants to go northwest. It's going to spin around. Bottom line, most of the systems in November stay bottled up in the Caribbean. But if you do have a Caribbean trip, check ahead on that system. Weather-wise, we are looking at fair skies tomorrow, lower 80s, then tomorrow afternoon. Clouds come in, then we go into Wednesday, showers and some thunderstorms. Can't rule out a low-end risk of severe storms, and then the front pushes on through. Not everybody sees storms, but then breezy and much cooler. Temperature-wise, tonight's going to feel better, mid-50s for the northern parishes, upper 50s to near 60 I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same down along the coast. So 59 is the low we'll go with Lafayette. Normal low should be about 51. Normal high should be about 72. We'll beat that by some 10 degrees tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies. Clouds, though, coming in later in the day, but overall a nice day ahead for our Tuesday. As we head into Wednesday, here comes that front. Front gets here Wednesday evening. Breezy, cooler for Thursday. Good stretch of weather into the weekend. Then maybe a few more showers next week, and hopefully another better-looking front a week from Wednesday. We'll see. That's it for weather for right now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.